Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do expansions. Chapter 4, exercise 4b. This is found on page number 65 and question 1 is the multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. If x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is what we need to find out. So let's see what's given to us. The equation given to us is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to get it in this form, x by plus 1 by x. We need to get this fraction. So what we can do here is divide both sides of the equation by x. So each term here we're going to divide it by x, divide each term by x, and then let's see what we get. So now x square divided by x will be x to the power of 2 minus 1. We remove 1x, so it becomes just x minus the next one is 2x by x, where the x gets cancelled. We have minus 2 and then we have 1 by x. On the right hand side, 0 by x is 0. So now we have got this fraction form here. Now let's put these two together, x plus 1 by x. Let's put it together. So that will be x plus 1 by x. Now here we have minus 2. Let's take it to the right hand side. So that will become 0 plus 2. So now we have the value for x plus 1 by x, and that is 2. Now let's square this. Squaring both sides of the equation. So x plus 1 by x, we are going to square it. So let's do that. So x plus 1 by x, the whole square, is equal to 2 square. So we are squaring both sides. So when we square this, now this is in the form of the identity a plus b the whole square, which is a square, which is x square, plus b square. So 1 by x the whole square plus 2ab. And that will be 2 into a is x into b is 1 by x. 2 into ab, 2ab. And on the other side we have 2 square, which is 4. Now simplifying this, we have x square plus 1 by x square plus. Now here we can cancel x, and what do we have here? 2. This is equal to 4. So now we have the value for x square plus 1 by x square, and that is 4 minus 2. Because we are carrying this 2 to the other side, it becomes 4 minus 2. So now the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. So this is step 1. So we'll just write this as 1. Step 1, where we found the value of x plus 1 by x. This is step 2, where we found the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now our question is, we should find the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. So now we know x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. This is what we just found out. Now we're going to find out the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. To find that, we are going to square both sides of this equation. So this equation has x square plus 1 by x square on the left hand side. On the right hand side it's 2. We are going to square this. So let's write it down here. So that is x square plus 1 by x square. So let's square the left hand side. So this is the left hand side. This is square. Now the right hand side also we are squaring. So that is 2 square. Now this is again in the form of a plus b the whole square. So a is x square and b is 1 by x square. So let's expand this. A square means this is a square of this plus b square, and this is b. Now square of this. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2 into a. A is x square and b is 1 by x square. So this is 2ab. So we've got a plus b the whole square. On the right hand side we have 2 squares. So 2 square is 4. Now let's simplify this further. So this will be x square the whole square, isn't it? So that is x to the power of 4 plus, here we have again 1 by x to the power of 4. Remember, when a power is raised to another power, we multiply. So here 1 square is going to be just 1 and x square is going to be 2 into 2 x to the power of 4 plus. Now here what do we have? We have 2 into x square into 1 by x square. We can cancel the x square. So this can be cancelled and this can be cancelled. What is left is just 2. And on the other side we have 4. Now we need to find only this much, isn't it? X to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. So we are going to take only that. So we're going to leave only x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 on the left hand side. On the right side we already have 4. We're going to move this plus 2 to the other side. It becomes minus 2. So now we can find the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4, and that is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, and that is 2. So we have got the answer. X to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is 2, and that is option 4. So that's our answer, option 4. Question B. If A is equal to 5, B is equal to negative 2 and C is equal to negative 3, A cube plus B cube plus C cubed is equal to which of these answers? Now we can use the property A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So we can apply this property here. Since we've been given the values for A, B and C, it's given to us already, we just have to substitute it. So this is going to be 3 into A, and how much is A? A is 5, into B, and B is negative 2, into C, and C is negative 3. So this is equal to 3 into 5 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30, 30 into 3 is 90, so that is 90. Now look at the signs. Here we have plus signs, here we have minus into minus. So minus into minus is plus. So plus 90, or our final answer is just 90. So this is our answer, and that is option 2. So let's look at the options. Option 2, 90 is our answer. Question C. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2, we have to find the value of x square minus 1 by x square. So this is what we need to find out, that is x square minus 1 by x square. Now we can apply the identity a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b, a square minus b square. And what's the formula? A plus b, that is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. That is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now we need to get this x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. So let's try that. So let's take x plus 1 by x. Now let's square this. So this becomes a plus b the whole square, and the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 1 by x. Now let's simplify this and see what we get. So this will be x square plus 1 by x square plus, cancel the x here, and we get 2. So we've got 2 here. Now we already know the value of x square plus 1 by x square. It's given to us in the question, so that is 2. So here we can substitute and write 2 plus 2. That means this is equal to 4. So we have found the value of x plus 1 by x the whole square, and that is equal to 4. So that means if we have to find the value of just x plus 1 by x, we just have to find the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So we have got the value of x plus 1 by x, and that is equal to 2. So this is the first part, the first equation that you can take, and so we have found the value of x plus 1 by x. In the same way, let's find x minus 1 by x the whole square, because we need x minus 1 by x. So here we can already substitute this x plus 1 by x. We have found out to be 2. So this 2 I have substituted and put here. Now let's find the value of x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x. Now here also let's square this whole thing. So here what do we get? We get a square, it's the identity a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square, that is 1 minus x square, plus 2ab minus 2ab. So 2 into a into b. So this is 2ab. So what do we have here? We have this in the form of the identity a minus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now let's simplify this. So this will become x square as it is plus 1 by x square minus, now here let's cancel this x and we get 2. Now again, x square plus 1 by x square, the value is given to us as 2. So here we write 2 and minus 2. So this is the value of x minus 1 by x, the whole square. Now x minus 1 by x, the whole square is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So x minus 1 by x is also equal to 0. So now we have found x minus 1 by x, we can substitute. So this is 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 0. So this is our answer and this is option 1. Option 1, 0 is our answer. Question D. If x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0, then we need to find the value of x cubed plus 27y cubed plus 8z cubed. Now look at this one. X plus 3y. Let's write down what's given to us. X plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. This is given to us. Now this is in the form of a plus b plus c. If it is in this form, then the cube of a plus b plus c, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, let's see how much that is. Now here this will become x cube plus, if you are cubing it all, 3y, if you have to cube it, it becomes 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27y cube plus, take the next one, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so that becomes 8z cubed. So what have we done? What we have done is we have cubed it all. Cubed this and I got x cubed. I cubed this whole thing 3y and I got 27y cubed. Then I cubed 2z and got 8z cubed. Now that means if this is equal to 0 and that one's the terms are all cubed, then we can apply this property which says if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then in that case this means a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So we'll apply that. So 3abc is what we need to work on. So 3 into a. Now in the place of a we have x. So we can write x into b. In the place of b we have 3y into c, and in the place of c we have 2z. Now all we have to do is simplify this. So let's multiply all the numbers first. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So the numbers are 18. Let's look at the letters here. So x into y is xy, xy into z is xyz. So this is 18 xyz. So this is our answer. And that is which option? 18xyz is option 3. So this is our answer. Question 2. Find the cube of. Now the first one here is 3a minus 2b. So we're going to find the cube of 3a minus 2b. So the whole cube, we're going to use the expansion. Now what is the expansion for a minus b the whole cube? The expansion for this is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the expansion for a minus b the whole cube. So we're going to apply this here. So 3a, this whole thing is going to be a and this whole thing is going to be b. So a minus b the whole cube, we're going to apply this. So let's write that. So 3a minus 2b the whole cube is equal to a cube. So that will be 3a. This is a cube minus b cube, which is 2b the whole cube minus 3a square b. 3 into a square. And what is a square? A is 3a, the square of this, into b, and b is 2b. So this is 3a square b plus 3ab square. So that is 3 into a, and a is 3a, into b, which is 2b, b square. So the square of this. Okay. So what do we have here now? Let's go through this again. So this will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now let's simplify this. So 3a cube, that means 3 you multiply 3 times. So that will be 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube is 27. So this is 27a cube minus, now here we have 2b cube. That means we multiply 2 3 times. So that is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is 8b cube minus, now in brackets we're going to write 3 as it is, into, now this we're going to simplify, 3a square. Square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9a square into 2b. So this is within brackets plus, now here also we write 3 into 3a into, now let's simplify this. 2b square means 2 into 2, that is 4b square. 4b square. So I've taken this slowly so that it will be easy for you to understand, though there is an extra step there. Now here 27a cube minus 8b cube minus. Now here we can multiply all the numbers. 3 9s are 27. 27 into 2. So we are multiplying this. 3 9s are 27. 27 into 2 is 54. So we have 54 here. And let's look at the literals. A square into b is a square b. A square b plus. Now here also let's multiply all the numbers. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. So that is 36. Now let's take the literals. A into b square is ab square. AB square. So now can you see we have 27a cube minus 8b cube minus 54a square b plus 36ab square. They are all unlike terms, so we cannot add or subtract. So this will be our final answer. Question 2, we have to find the cube of 5a plus 3b. So 5a plus 3b, the whole cube. Again, we're going to use the expansion a plus b, the whole cube. So this will be a cube. Now you can put b cube at the end or at the beginning. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So the order of this can change. You can put this b cube at the end also, or you can put it this way. So here now you're going to write a plus b the whole cube. So this is a and this is b. So keeping that in mind, we're going to use this expansion. So a cube will be 5a, this is a cube plus b cube, which is 3b, this is b cube plus, now 3a square b, we're doing this part, 3a square b, that is 3 into a square, a is 5a, the whole square, into b, which is 3b. So this is 3a square b. Now we have to do 3ab square. That is 3 into a, which is 5a, into b square, 3b the whole square. So this is 3ab square. Now let's simplify this. So when we simplify, 5a cube, that means 5 3 times. So that is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 125, a 3 times is a cube plus 3b cube, the whole cube. So 3 3 times and then b also 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So when you multiply 3, we get 27b. When you multiply 3 times, you get b cubed. Now we are going to work this out. So we'll still keep the brackets, plus in brackets 3 into, here we have 5a the whole square. That means 5 into 5, a into a. 5 5s are 25, a into a is a square into 3b. Plus, now here we have 3 into 5a into, now here we have 3b square. That means 3 into 3, b into b. 3 3s are 9 and we have b square. Now we can simplify. 125a cube plus 27b cube plus, now work out the numbers here. 3 into 25 is 75. 75 into 3, 225. So that will be 225. Now we have to multiply a square into b. So that will be a square b. A square b plus, now here 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 9 is 135. So 135, and then we multiply a into b square. That makes it ab square. So again, there are no like terms here. So this will be our final answer. 125a cube plus 27b cube plus 225a square b plus 135ab square. The third question is 2a plus 1 by 2a. We have to find the cube of this, and a is not equal to 0. So here, what is the expansion that we are going to use? We are going to use the expansion a plus 1 by a, the whole cube. Now this one is the same format. A, 2a is a and 1 by again 2a. So 1 by a. So we're going to use this format. And what is the expansion for this? The expansion is a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. 3 into a plus 1 by a. So all these expansions you need to learn. So a plus 1 by a the whole cube is a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. So we're going to apply that here. So in the place of a we have 2a. In the place of 1 by a here we have 1 by 2a. So let's work that out here. So 2a plus 1 by 2a the whole cube is equal to a cube. So that is 2a. 2a is a cube plus 1 by a cube. So again 2a the whole cube plus 3 into a, and a is 2a plus 1 by a, which is 1 by 2a. Now we need to simplify this. So we'll start with this. Now 2a cube, the whole cube, that means 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So that is 8. A into a is a cube. So 2a cube is 8a cube. So we've simplified this. 2a the whole cube is 8a cube plus 1 by 2a the whole cube. Again we can write this. So that will be plus 1 by 8a cube plus 3 into, now here we need to write this, 2a plus 1 by 2a into 2a first. So that will be 3 into 2a plus, now we multiply 3 into 1 by 2a. So that will be 3 into 1 by 2a. So let's simplify this part also and see what we get finally. So here we have 8a cube plus 1 by 8a cube plus, now here we have 3 into 2 is 6. So that is 6a plus, now here we are multiplying 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 itself. 3 into 1 is 3. So that will be 3 by 2a. So this is our answer which we can rearrange. So to rearrange it in order, we can write 8a cube first. Then we can take plus 6a. So plus 6a. And then we will write 3 by 2a. 3 by 2a plus 1 by 8a cube. So we are writing this in the order of their power. So 8a cube plus 6a plus 3 by 2a plus 1 by 8a cube, and this is the final answer. Question 4 here, that is, we have to find the cube of 3a minus 1 by a, and a is not equal to 0. Now here you can see that this and this are different. This is 3a and this is a. So we cannot use the expansion a minus 1 by a the whole cube. Instead we can take this as a and this is b, and so this will be a minus b the whole cube. So we take the expansion for this. So you should be careful when you look at your question. You should understand which expansion to make use of. And the expansion for a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now this order can be different. You can have a cube minus b cube and then these, or you can put it in this order. Now let's apply this. 3a minus 1 by a the whole cube. 3a minus 1 by a the whole cube. So we're going to apply that expansion which says a cube. And what is a? 3a. 3a, this is a, so a cube minus 3 into a square, which is 3a the whole square, b. So we have taken this 3a square b, so I have written 3a square. Now b is 1 by a into 1 by a. So what have we taken here? We have taken 3a square b, 3a square b. Now let's take 3ab square, so that will be plus 3ab, that is 3 into a is 3a into b square. B is 1 by a. Now the square of this. So what is this now? This is 3ab square, which we've got here. Now we continue with minus b cube. So we have minus, now b is 1 by a, the cube of this. So the whole cube. Now let's simplify this. So we start with the first part, 3a the whole cube. That means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27, a into a is a cube minus, now here we're going to work out what is within brackets. So we'll continue to keep it in brackets. So that is 3 into, now this part is 3a the whole square. That means 3 into 3, which is 9, a into a, which is a square, into 1 by a. Plus, now here also let's go on to the second part. So here let's multiply the numbers that we have. Here we have 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9a into 1 by a square, that is a into a square. So we have it here like this. Now this will be 1 by a cube. Now on further simplification, this will remain as 27a cube. Now in brackets, let's see what we can do. We have 3 into 9. Let's multiply the numbers. 3 9s are 27. And here we have a square and here a. So we can cancel 1a. So when this a goes up, 1a from here goes. So that makes it simply a. So 27a plus, now here also let's see what we get. 9 into 1, here we multiply this. 9 into 1 is 9. And in the denominator, so here we have a in the numerator and a square here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1a is left in the denominator minus 1 by a cube. So this will be our final answer, that is 27a cube minus 27a plus 9 by a minus 1 by a cube. So we will stop with this for now. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, students.